Stop now.
Fuck off.
Mom.
Okay, we're good. Okay, we're good.
It's going.
Fart Monkey 50 doing the cinnamon challenge.
Move a little closer together.
Okay, ready?
Nah, wait.
What? Fart Monkey 50 doing the what?
Cinnamon challenge.
Okay.
Look. There.
It's basically just 1 tablespoon of cinnamon in a tablespoon. We got water here in case.
We throw up.
Yeah. I watched
Move closer together.
Turtle TD. No, wait, no. Oh, that's me.
His cousin.
TMNT Rocks 59.
His cousin.
Cameron. Do it with his sister. So I thought this would be fun to do with Andrew. So, ready?
1, 2, 3, go. Andrew got to do it now.
Oh, wait.
It's stuck to that.
Rinse your mouth out, bud. Rinse your mouth out. Rinse your mouth out.
Oh, I threw up.
Turn your head sideways and rinse your mouth out like Andrew was doing.
Okay.
Like mouthwash.
That's nasty.
Rinse again, Len.
I need more water.
Ah. Ow!
All I can smell is cinnamon.
I threw up.
Aren't you glad I told you to do it outside?
I knew to do it outside.
That's nasty.
All I can smell is cinnamon.
Went to my eye. A little bit. I'm doing it again. Round 2.
You gotta swallow it.
See his little cloud of cinnamon come out?
Oh, it's so dry. It burns.
Oh, low battery.
Okay, most of it's gone.
So,
I'm not doing that again. Okay, end the video.